Welcome back. This is 92K with another video. Today we're going to get into a product review, you guys. I've been looking for something that's going to moisturize my curls in this dry weather. And I think what I got was the Curl Boss, and I picked these both up from Target. Curl Boss by Auntie Jackie's. This is the Coconut Curling Gelee. If I'm pronouncing it right, help me out if I'm not. And I also got Jozi Curl Styles. I've been seeing a lot of product reviews for this one on YouTube, and it's either 50-50, either people really love it or they are just like, I don't really care too much for it. But this one is very, very affordable. I picked this up for like $6.99 or $8.99, so it was very affordable for it to be enriched with coconut oil and having oils inside of a gel. So I feel like it was reasonably priced. And then this one was the Jozi curls. I didn't see any reviews on this one, and this one was also at Target. It was like $4.99. So stay tuned, and you're gonna watch me earlier today put the product in my hair, and I'll give you some feedback on that and how my hair was looking before and how it's looking now, so you guys can compare for yourselves. All right, so this is what my hair looks like fresh out of the shower. It's not drenching wet. I would say maybe it's about 70% still wet. Let's just go ahead and get straight into it. So I like to just part my hair in half, starting with the back section here, and then get me a little hair tie it up, and then just start with the back. Let's just first go through this. And how I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna start with the Jozi style curls, and then we're gonna get into the gel. So we're just gonna layer it like that. So this is the Jozi style hydrating pudding. Okay. It smells, it doesn't have a strong smell, but there's definitely a smell. I cannot pinpoint what it smells like. It just smells like regular conditioner. It smells like a regular, and this is what it looks like, you guys. This is a color, kind of like a gray color. It looks like a pudding. Okay, so I just felt it, and it's very kind of sticky. It's definitely sticky. It's not what I expected. It's not a creamy texture. It's definitely a gel texture. So, oh, I'm scared. So let's just go ahead and go in with that first. Okay. All right, so before we start, actually, let me just wet my hair some a little bit. Now let's go ahead and open up Aunt Jackie's. And let's see about this. This one feels like a regular gel. Oh, I don't know if it's because of the pudding I put on first, but this definitely has some slip. Like it's slipping, like it feels moisturized. It's clumping my curls. I don't feel like it's like a strong hold on it, but it's definitely clumping my curls, and they do feel moisturized. So let's just continue to go through my head. The slip on this is just amazing. Like, I love how moisturized my hair feels, and it's not weighed down. I was kind of suspicious at first because I thought that, oh, it's not weighed down, so that means the hold is not going to be as strong, but it's holding. My curls are defined. Like, okay, Miss Jackie, Aunt Jackie's, not Miss Jackie, excuse me, Aunt Jackie's, and Jozi curls from Target. Okay, right. Yep.
I completely forgot her braids. Okay. Cutie.
Alright. But look, the product is through my hair completely. And it is looking bomb. Like, this is my new duo. Jackie's Curls and Coils and Jozi's Curls. I know my hair isn't dried yet, but this is the best wash and go little style I've had never. Like, this is, I just wanted you guys to get into the definition and how it didn't shrink my curls, but take heat, my hair is still wet, so I will come back when it is dry. But so far, sis, I already know it's gonna dry. I already know it's gonna dry, like, and be flawless when it dries. I don't want to touch it too much because I don't want it to frizz up, but I'm gonna see you guys when this dries and then we'll get into it. This is the finished product. My hair is completely dried now, and I have to say I love the results. Like, the results are bomb. Like, these together, I don't see any white residue. They really define my curls. I have a lot of volume still without the frizz. It's not hard and crunchy. The curls are very soft and they're defined, and it's full. Cop some of this. Come cop some of the curl balls and get you some of Jozi. I don't know who she is because she ain't really known yet, but get her name out there too. Like, because her, you know, they doing. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back at you guys with more videos coming soon, of course. Especially now since we're stuck in quarantine. Like, expect more videos.